Hello dear friends, my name is Bharat and you are watching the channel of Indore Mandi. In this video I am just going to show you that which kind of the qualities we have, the garlic, we have the potato, and as well as we have the onions. Now when I am shooting this video, we can see that in India I am just shooting this video from Indore Mandi, and here we are just going to see the prices of the garlic, onion and potato. So when we talk about the onion, garlic and potato, let me say something about that, what the price today. So when we talk about the garlic, it's having 16,000, and some of the garlic which is sold for 12,000, 13,000, 14,000 rupees as well as. So when that one is ultimately for the quintals, but when we talk about the kilos, it's 120, 130, 160 rupees. And when we talk about the teeny size, it's 9,000, 8,000 and 7,000 as well as, means 70,000, 80,000, 90,000 something, which is I already shooted the video. You can see in this video we talked with the farmers also. They answered some questions which I asked them, and as well as I just want to talk about the potato. So when we talk about the potato, it's having the 21 and 22 rupees. That one is the highest price of the potato today, and one of the potato, that lot which is sold for 23 rupees, that is only one lot which is sold. But when we talk about the good potato size and good potato, it's a 21 and 22 rupees. And when we talk about the onion is just, the price is stable onions. It is 16,000 rupees, not sorry 16,000 rupees, it's only 16 rupees kg. And some of the onions which is sold for 17 rupees and 80 rupees. And when we talk about the average good onion, which I have already shown in this video, you can see in this video that which kind of onions, Ram Dada Ram. So which kind of the onion which is sold in the different qualities. Extremely sorry for the potato, I didn't capture the video of potato from, but from tomorrow I'm going to also shoot the video of potato too, which is at the time when the people are selling the potato, means the farmers of India are selling the potato. Those who are from the south, if they wants to see that video and this kind of the video, like the video. And those who are watching this video from the out of the India and they wants to buy this kind of things like onion, potato and garlic, they can contact with in India's in Indore's the people, means those who are the purchaser. A lot of people are there, a lot of numbers are mentioned. When you'll go for the Google, you'll find out the numbers. Totally up to you if you want to order. Okay, we have the prices and we have the details of the different onion, potato, not potato, but potato I'm just orally telling to you, and garlic. Okay, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Balram. Dear friends, you can see here that we have the people here, those who work in Mandi, in Indore Mandi. We will ask some question to them also, and they are actually eating the food. How they work, I'm just showing to you that how they work, and when the work's completed and at the time of lunch, they are taking their lunch here. You can look here. आज आलू क्या गया? आलू का एक औसत क्या देखा? 23 हाईएस्ट था ना, और उसके अलावा नॉर्मल क्या देखा आपने? वो 21-22 का ही था. So I am asking to them because they know a lot of more about that one. Is they actually just saw the so many potatoes prices. So they saw the potatoes prices around the highest price is 23, but when we talk about the average, it's only average is 21 to 22 rupees. The good potato. I didn't take the potato at that time when the potato was selling, but I am just asking to them and they are giving the answer. Hello, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Dear friend, that one is sold for 7,300 rupees. When we see the garlic, you can look at the garlic. Now I have the teeny size of the garlic, and some of we have the medium sizes too, not medium size. As compared to teeny, that is having a big size. क्या नाम है? अरबाज साहब कहाँ से आए? So his name is Arbaz and he is lived in near of Indore. Let's ask some questions to him that whether he is satisfied with the price or not. अभी जो आज ये मिला आपको कीमत, ये अच्छा मिला, ठीक ठाक अच्छा मिल रहा रेट. So now he is just telling to us that he is satisfied now, and day by day the garlic price is getting means going to be increased. Because the reason is quite simple, that in this year in India, what exactly that the garlic actually so many farmers, what they did, they actually sold the garlic at the time that was initially stage, when that was at the time, means at the time we can say it was 20,000 and 17,000 rupees. So I think that the garlic price in coming of days, the garlic price is going to be increased, and those who wants to buy from the India, they can order. And I'm just shooting this video from the Indore Mandi. चलिए, जय जवान, जय किसान, जय बलराम. Dear friend, that one is sold for 9,000 rupees. And what exactly 9,000? I'm telling about the quintal. That is a 9,100. And when we talk about the kilo, that is a 9,100 rupees kilo. And today that we have the 18/4/2024. We have the another farmers who that one is 19,700. So that one is 9,700. Extremely sorry for that one. Is these quality is 9,700 rupees. You can see the garlic. It's having the big size also. But when we talk about the garlic size, not we can say all the garlic is big size, but we have the teeny sizes also. And look at the garlic. Garlic is good. But when we talk about the fresh garlic, today the fresh garlic was around 16,000 rupees. दादा क्या नाम है?
राजेश प्रजापत.
So his name is Rajesh Prajapat. कौन से गांव से आया?
कमलापुर.
Kamlapur. And he is from Kamlapur. Ultimately, those are farmers who are coming in Indore Mandi. They are near of the Indore almost I'm telling around 20 kilometer or 50 kilometer around. आज क्या भाव गया अपना लहसुन? 9,700. So the garlic which I shown to you, that farmer actually sold 9,700 rupees. Let's ask some another question. अच्छा अभी गांव में कितना माल होगा एक अंदाज इस बार किसानों के पास?
तो कमी है अब तो.
कितना अपन मान के चले 50% क्या 40%. Now as I told you that in this year what exactly the farmers did, they actually sold the garlic before when that was started, and at that time that was having 20,000 and 17,000 rupees. So when I talked to him, he is just telling that the farmers, most of the farmers sold the garlic this year. Means almost 50% of farmers having the garlic, and remaining that one is sold. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम. ठीक है दादा. Dear friend, that one is sold for 12,000 rupees, and this one is sold for कितना बता भैया आपने? 10,800 rupees. Let me show you that which kind of garlic we have. See the garlic size, and also it's not a teeny size. We can say that the garlic size. I just want to show to you. Let me show on to you. You can see the garlic. This kind of garlic, and that one is 10,500. Let me see the slip. You can see here that 10,800 rupees which I shown to this garlic. Let's talk with the farmers also. क्या नाम है?
पवन मोरदिया.
So his name is Pawan Mordia. कहाँ के आप? Kuran. He is from Kuran. Indore के पास. So we can say that near of Indore. Let's ask some another questions to him, which I am asking to you. A lot of questions to farmers. Are they doing any new crops in India or not? Let's ask this kind of question also. अभी कुछ नई फसल भी कर रहे हैं इसके अलावा?
वो मिनी डालर चने बोल रहे मिनी डालर.
Means he is just grain. He is just growing the grain also, and as well as उसके अलावा कौन सा बिटकॉइन?
मिनी डॉलर जो दो चने का एक. हाँ वो चने हो गए वो दो.
उसके अलावा और कुछ?
उसके अलावा तो
ऑनियन तो अपन लगाते ही हैं.
हाँ ये तो लगा.
चलिए ओके जय जवान जय किसान. Dear friend, that one is sold for 16,000 rupees quintal. And when we talk about the quintals in kg, that is a 160 rupees kg. And as we have the highest also in Indore Mandi today, that was almost 16,400. And somehow somewhere we just heard about that one is that one is sold for 17,000 also.